welcome to Maison Moderne. My name is Leonie, a Cameroonian manufacturer, and today I'm about to show you our conference table. Now, this baby right here is an amazing 17-seater we have done for Global Bush co-working space in Bona Musadi, Douala, Cameroon. And guys, this is a multi-purpose table as well. This can be split into several sections so people can sit here and use it as office space, or you can use it for your conference as you see fit. Now guys, you will realize that we have done this with very high density, high resistance for mica, and this baby is 100% done and manufactured in Douala, Cameroon. Now this conference table right here has been designed to fit this room. So what we do is we do custom made furniture for people. So we will tailor your furniture to meet the space that you want it to occupy. This is done in Cameroon, 100% made in Cameroon. So if you want any furniture made, whether it's a guest house, hotel you want furnished, it's a school, it's an office you want done, all you gotta do is contact us on the number at the end of this video. No one does kitchens better than Maison Moderne. We can say that because our customers tell us that all the time. So, if you like what we do, all you gotta do is hit the like button, give us a comment, repost it, share it, let people know that Cameroon is keeping it real and Africa is changing the narratives. My name is Leonie. I make VIP standard furniture. Peace and ciao.